Okay, Paul again here from EMD. Just want to show you guys what we're up to today. So today we're doing the actual CV boot rebuild. So this CV boot was already broken. It's leaking grease. So I'll show you what I mean. Alright, this is the old one. It's already broken in pieces. Like that. So I'm rebuilding it. The other side is alright. But I think I might do it because they look a bit old. You can see the crack mark that's starting to crack. So you see the actual middle is always does not break at all because they're just sitting still parallel to the actual outside of the car, like straight. But the CV joint is the one that moves around with the actual, every time you move the steering, the wheel turns. And this part here turns a lot. That's why they crack. So if you look at this one here, starting to crack as well, so I might as well just do all four while it's out, otherwise it's gonna crack and then you gotta rip the whole car apart just to do it again. So I'm gonna do outer and inner on both sides, and while we're doing that, we're cleaning this as well. And the bearing, I'm gonna talk to the customer to see if they want the actual the wheel bearing done, because a lot of wheel bearing in the 996 is starting to play up at the moment. So just gotta recommend to the customer and he'll let me know what he wants to do. At the moment I'm gonna rebuild those two while I'm waiting for the radiator to come. Okay, just a quick video to see what we're doing. So when I finish I'll do another video. But you gotta be very careful in the C4S 996. There's a circlip inside here. It's very hard to see, but you gotta look very careful. It's just there. There's a circlip there. And make sure that circlip is always on, because that's the one. See there? It's very hard to see, but right there. That's the one that locks the CV boot joint to the shaft. And it goes inside this little cutout here. Be very careful with that. Okay, so that's a brand new one. We got it from Porsche. Pad number for that one's here. So we're gonna do both sides, this side here and that side there. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.